Page 228, Waves of the Danube. It's another harmonization pattern or exercise, whatever. They give you the melody, they give you the chords, and they give you the basic pattern of the accompaniment, and then you get to carry on. Well, let's look it over. It's 4 flats. We're in the key of F minor because we're studying minor keys right now. Make sure you can do the scales for A flat major and F minor both, and arpeggios too. 3/4 time with a pickup beat. First, I want to hear the melody. What am I getting into? I'm going to accompany this melody, so let me hear the melody. It's 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, rest. That's the melody. It's a rather famous melody. As far as their fingering goes, there's other fingerings. I kind of like the finger substitutions. You're welcome to do those. If there's other, you don't have to. I mean, it's like at the end of the first line, you're here. I could have reached up. I could have reached up and just played it with third. And at the end of the second line, I could have just played it with fifth. However, it's good exercise. The point of this lesson, though, isn't the melody. The point is the accompaniment. So some other instrument that can play those notes, an oboe, a violin, some concert-keyed instrument, or an instrument that can transpose. If the person playing the instrument can transpose it, they can play it too. What we're after is the stuff in the grand staff. And that is the stuff where the curly brace is. That's the grand staff. Both clef signs are bass clef. Now we're down here. Get the chords first, just block chords. We got a C7 chord. Remember C7 is here. And the pattern we're using is this. Not using the G, that's okay. That's basically this pattern. Until you get to the end of the first line, you have an F minor chord here. So it's here. I'm not sure where they want you. It's going to be here. I'm not sure where the notes are. So I'd probably do it here. If I'm going to use the same inversions, I'm going to use this inversion. I'm going to use it for the other chords also, except the other chords, an F minor chord, doesn't have a seventh. So it's like, I'm going to use first inversion. I could use second inversion. So I could go here, or here. I don't know, pick one. It's not real clear on what they want. And then second line, you have a B flat minor, which is here. It's a B flat chord with a minor, so it's here. Here. I just turned it around instead of here. And then an F minor again. C7 again, like it was at the beginning. An F minor. Sort of what I do with it, but we're doing broken chords. And for some reason, they're only doing the chords on the dotted half note tied to whatever. Okay, we can do that. So it's here. 2, 3, 1, rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. And then rest, rest. And then back down here. Rest, rest. That's what they're doing. Yeah. And that's fine. You don't have to play them where I'm playing it. You can play them on other parts of the keyboard. Just basically that's what you're after. You're after that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sort of how to do it. I just played them all, just for kicks and giggles. Doesn't hurt. Try it out and see what. There are people who can sit down at a full orchestra or band score and play it on piano. I can't do that. I'm not one of those people, but some people can. But I can usually handle 2 or 3 or 4 lines at a time, and it's good reading exercise.